Hello everyone, it's me. I'm back with another profile service video, and in the last video there's comments to ask to make a shop system with tools instead of a money one. So I'm gonna just do some quick changes to this, so I can use the sword from my last video, the R15 sword animation thing, and then just a random one that I found on as like a free model. It's just so I can actually show a tool system of shops. So this is one where you have the click for money system, and you have the shop to buy these. Yeah. So I've actually realized something just when I was doing that from an old video, where you can actually buy this one once. So I'll make sure that you can do that in this one. First thing I really want to do is I just want to actually move the tools outside of the player. So I'm going to go into server storage and make a folder called tools and just put those inside. So those are the tools we're going to need to use. This is from the last video sword thing, or that was ages ago. And I'm going to change this to now instead be based on the tools. So I'm going to have Firebrand. Oh, my keyboard's in the wrong language. Firebrand, which is going to cost, let's say 600, and then you'll have new sword for, let's say 100 as pricings. And now we want to we're going to keep using shop data for this, but we're going to make functions to actually check when the player has like loaded in. So the character added function and player added to give them the tools. But first thing I want to do is I just want to change the UI a bit. So instead of +2, so this will just be new swords, and I'll just change the label. So sword. And I said it's going to be 100, so buy for 100 coins. And then this next one is going to be Firebrand. Oh, Firebrand, which was 600. Oh, perfect. And then down here I just changed this Firebrand, and that's it for shop UI. I'm not going to go into much effort for UI. Okay, and then you make a visible force because of the UI struck. There we go. So we need to change these a bit. So this one I'll be Firebrand buy. Instead of this, it's just Firebrand, and this will be new sword buy. And instead of +3 frame, it'll be new swords. Firebrand buy. I want to send this, and I want to send it to buy Firebrand, and then new sword buy. I want to make this purchase new sword. Actually, I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, so this is the local scripts done for this part of this episode. Now I want to actually change it to on the process purchase request. I want it to. Oh wait, this works. So if shop data value shop data value 2. So we can now actually just specify where the swords are located. So we'll get server storage. So local server storage equals game : get service server storage, and then local tools folder equals server storage, wait for child tools. And then down here where we have here we'll do tools folder, wait for child, Firebrand 2, and here we'll do tools folder, wait for child, new swords 2, oh, 2, and then this was 100, I think, to buy. So on process purchase request, it'll be shop data value, and then I'll do and profiles player.data.shopData and profiles player.data.shopData and not, and then this has to go in brackets, which means if there is no player data for shop data, because a template doesn't have shop data. Oh wait, no, it does actually. Anyway, if you can find shop data, I'm just gonna ignore this because it can't actually figure this out if it is there or not, really. And if this is here and this isn't here, then it means it actually meets the conditions because the tool is not in the player shop there. So now we need to write our function to actually handle processing giving tools. So we're just going to send through player, and then we'll do for I to be in player shop data do if v1 is a tool, then if v1 is a tool, then I'll actually get the player's data here. So local data equals player profiles, oh it's just profiles, equals profiles player, actually if not profiles player, then return end local data equals player profiles player dot data if v1 is a tool, and data dot shop data and data dot shop data I, then oh no, I do need to keep that, and local function check player has tool player and then tool name. This is to make sure that it's not going to duplicate tools all the time. We'll do this as if player dot backpack find first child tool name, then return true end if player dot character and player dot character find first child tool name, then return true end, and then this would be returned false. And not check player has tool player, and then this would be I, then v1 clone, this will just be local copy equals copy dot parent equals player dot backpack. This is probably it, to be fair. So then we'll do down here player, actually I'll write it at the top of it. Where do I want to write this? I'll write it down here. So player dot character added connect function character. And then we just want to run the function of process character added player, and then I also want to run this every time something is bought, in case. And we could also do a coroutine, which will also check this on a while loop if we wanted to, like this, and then just put here, so every 5 seconds it'll check. And that might be everything, to be fair. We'll check. I feel like that should be everything. So if I go to a shop and I buy a sword, and I'll have a new sword, and it works, I have animations. If I rejoin, I should still have my new sword. Ooh. If we reset, we'll have it, I guess, then. Yes. So we need to make a system to give it before the first character added, because the player will load and then the character added will be after then, kind of. So we could just write like here, probably. It should work. Yep, okay. So we have an issue now on the fact that some parts of my shop data was originally money and the other parts were now tools. So this will be over here. A shop data I, then, and to number shop data I1, which will fix that. So now if I press play, I can now click for money. I'm going to try and buy another sword. It shouldn't work because I already own it. So that fixes a thing we didn't see in the last video. If we click to 600, here we go. Press buy. We now have a firebrand. And yeah, we now have a tool system for our shop with ProfileService. Reset, still got the tools. So that's how you make a working tool giving shop system with ProfileService. It's pretty simple, to be fair. If anyone has any other video ideas to create in the future, please just put in the comments. I want to make some more videos. Sorry for my delay. I was having exams, so I couldn't really make videos for quite a while, but now I'm done with them. So yeah, if anyone has any other video suggestions, any more things they want to learn to make, just put in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.